We have to be aware of our thoughts and how it is linked to our destiny. Uh, this is what I'm going to talk about. I'm Shankaran Parameshwaran. Uh, Basically, every thought in the mind comes, which affects our words. In turn, we in turn creates actions based on that, and then the results also created in based on that. So basically, thoughts will create words, words will create actions, action will create results, that results will become our destiny. So we think that every time we put our thinking in auto mode and we think, okay, there are good things happening to me today, okay, then I feel good about it. When bad things happening to me, I feel bad about it. So without realizing, my thought is actually causing that event which is happening to me. The moment you start correcting your thought, you will feel the difference. So basically, we have to be aware of our thoughts, and otherwise we otherwise think that, okay, no, because this has happened to me, this is a destiny. So we keep feeling bad about it. The more of such things happen, and it is a vicious circle. It keeps on going. So what we have to do is, if any situation or any circumstance which is negative or which is not the one that you wanted, so obviously we have to start uh, uh, breaking the chain there by changing your thought process. Once you change your thought process, that events which are happening will not happen, because that will get discontinued there, because you change your thought process. The event, the reality also will change according to that. So most of us have it in autopilot. Our thoughts are in autopilot. We don't really be aware. In a day, about 60,000 to 80,000 thoughts come to our mind. It's very difficult also. It's very difficult. It's more said than done. It's easier said than done, basically. And that's how we have to slowly practice and practice and practice, bring our thought process by bringing into our conscious mind. So we start acting from the subconscious mind. These things keep happening. So we really won't be able to change our life situation, and we will be thinking, okay, it is a destiny which is happening to me. So without bothering to alter our thought process, we will keep suffering. So what I want to say here is that we try to slowly be aware of our thought by distancing our self from the thought process. Okay, this thought has come to my mind. You can't eliminate the thoughts. That is possible only for monks and people who are highly enlightened people. But otherwise, on a normal day-to-day life, we have to uh, uh, slowly distance ourselves from the thought process and start observing that what are we thinking every time, because whatever we think, we feel. We cannot have a good thought in mind and feel bad about it. So always the good thought gives a good feeling. So feeling is a feedback mechanism through which we come to know that what are we thinking currently. So this is a good way of finding out whether we are on track. Are we thinking what we wanted? Are we trying to create what we wanted, or are we thinking the things that we do not want? So all the time, the tendency is that we will go and think, we do not want this, we don't want this, we don't want this. So again, those things, in the affirmative, the universe does not take that into account. So the moment you give energy to that thought, it happens. So whatever you want, you have to think about it. Whatever you do not want, you should not be negative about it. You should just ignore, and then keep thinking positive. That's how we can come out of this problem. And hope you like this video, and kindly put your comments and suggestions. If you do like it, please uh, 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 like this video and then share it with your friends and family. Thank you.